but how to use these greetings in French? Okay, how to use. So today what we are going to learn, how to use them in French. Okay, so let's start. Okay, so what is les salutations? Okay, les salutations, les salutations means the greetings, okay. Bonjour, bonjour, bonjour. We will not pronounce R here. Okay, bonjour, bonjour, bonjour. Okay, bon après-midi. Bonjour, bonjour means good morning, good evening, good morning. Okay, bonjour, bonjour means good morning, hello, good morning, hello, hi. Often we use bonjour in a formal way. In a formal way, whenever we are greeting, we suppose if we are meeting in morning, then two. If we are meeting in good night, if we are meeting in noon, if we are meeting in evening, so we can use this bonjour. Okay, bonjour. But we will not say it bonjour. Okay, bonjour, bonjour, bonjour is wrong. We'll use it bonjour, bonjour. Okay, next, good afternoon, good afternoon, bon après-midi, bon après-midi, okay? Bon après-midi. We are using till the last alphabet because here I is a vowel, okay, and we will speak the word up to the vowel. Okay, après-midi, après-midi, après-midi. Bon après-midi means good afternoon, good afternoon. Bonsoir, 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 bonsoir means good evening, good evening. Bonsoir. Okay, bonsoir. How I pronounce it? Bon. Okay, soir. Bonsoir. Okay, like bonjour, bonjour. Okay, bonjour, bonsoir, bon après-midi, bon après-midi. Okay, bonne nuit, bonne nuit, good night. Okay, bonne nuit. So what is bonsoir? Bonsoir means good evening. Okay, bonne nuit, bonne nuit, bonne nuit. Bonne nuit means good night. Okay, bonne nuit, bonne nuit. Okay, bonne nuit. Okay, next we ask in French how, sorry, in English, how are you? So what, how to say in French? Comment ça va? Comment ça va? Okay, comment ça va? Comment ça va? Okay, comment ça va? Okay, so how we have to answer? Okay, je suis bien et vous? Je suis bien et vous? Okay, means I am fine, I am well, and you? I am fine and you? Okay, ça va? Fine. Okay, we use one word thing also for asking. Okay, ça va? Ça va? Ça va means fine. Okay, as we ask in English also with expression we ask. Okay, fine means here we are asking someone. Okay, so ça va, what will the answer? Ça va bien. Oui, ça va bien. Okay, ça va bien. Bien, bien means I am, bien means fine. Okay, comment allez-vous? We use comment ça va for formal way. Okay, and we use comment allez-vous in informal way. Okay, informal way. As we use bonjour for formal way. Okay, so we use comment allez-vous in informal way. Okay, je vais bien. Comment allez-vous means how are you going? How are you going? Okay, je vais bien. Je vais bien. I'm going well. Je vais bien. Okay, je vais bien means I'm going well. Next, salut, salut. Okay, salut, salut means hello, hi. We use salut in informal way. Okay, we use it for informal way. Okay, merci beaucoup, merci beaucoup means thank you very much, thank you very much. Okay, quoi de neuf, quoi de neuf. Okay, quoi de neuf, quoi de neuf means quoi de neuf, WhatsApp, WhatsApp. Okay, quoi de neuf, WhatsApp. Au revoir, bye bye, goodbye. Okay, au revoir, what will say? Au revoir. Okay, Au revoir. Okay? Au revoir. Goodbye. A bientôt. Okay? A bientôt. A bientôt. Okay? A bientôt. A bientôt means see you soon. If we are saying, if we are meeting someone, then we ask him this thing. Okay? That okay, see you soon. So how we say in French? We'll say à bientôt. Okay? À demain. À demain. See you tomorrow. À demain. Okay? À demain. See you tomorrow. À plus tard. À plus tard. À plus tard means see you later. See you later. Okay? One more is we can use très bien. Okay? Très bien is very well. Okay? Très bien means very well. Got it? Understood? So how we say oftenly when we use greetings, when to use, okay, how to use them in proper way. Okay, how, where we are using, everything matters. When we are using, where we are using, okay, at what time we are using the greetings. Okay, right? So suppose if we are meeting first time in a day, so we can use bonjour. Okay, bonjour. Anytime we can use. If we are meeting in, we are saying formal way, so informal way is salut. Okay, salut. Salut means also saying hello and hi. Okay, so this was the greetings in this topic, and in our next topic we'll do something different. Okay, so what you have to do now, you have to share this video with your friends, with everybody. You have to share, and please like the video, comment the video, and share the video, and do not forget to subscribe the bell icon. Okay, do not forget to subscribe the channel also. Okay, so please press bell icon, and so you may get the notification. If you are subscribing the channel, you will get the videos continue now. Okay, bye. Or